Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to talk about the soundcore AeroClip earbuds. A pretty impressive pair of true wireless earbuds that have caught my attention recently. Whether you're someone who's into music, podcasts, or just looking for a reliable pair of earbuds for daily use, these might be worth checking out. And the package itself comes with everything you could need and detailed instructions on everything you need to know. And off the bat, I already noticed it comes in super easy and professional looking packaging. You just take the earbuds right out. There's no complicated mess of wires, any hassle. Earbuds. And it comes with its own USB cable. So let's start with the design, which I think is one of the first things that really stands out about the AeroClip earbuds. The design of the case is super sleek and high quality, as you can see. They have a sleek, minimalist look, nothing too flashy, but definitely modern. The case is compact and fits easily into your pocket, which is perfectly convenient when you're on the go. It has a matte finish, which resists fingerprints and feels super premium as well. And when it comes to the earbuds themselves, they're lightweight and ergonomically designed. I've tried a lot of earbuds, and one thing I really appreciate about the AeroClip is how comfortable they are. And the packaging even comes with multiple sizes of ear tip. You can find the perfect fit for your ears. And the process for putting them on is super simple. The smallest piece goes into your inner ear, and the larger piece slides onto your outer ear. So you would just go to the thinnest part of your ear, just slide it on like this, and adjust until fit. Like so. And to connect the headphones, they're super simple. You just hold this button on the back of the case down for 3 seconds and it's ready to pair. Now let's talk about the most important part, sound quality. What I personally love is that the bass is there, but it's not too overwhelming. The mids and highs are also super well defined. I can hear vocals and instruments clearly, which makes listening to podcasts or audiobooks just as enjoyable as music. And they offer the ear grips in different sizes if you notice that the headphones feel too loose. And you can even control the headphones with just a touch of a button. To play or pause the audio, you just double tap here on the top, and it does it for you. And if you're listening to music, to skip to the next track, you just triple tap and it automatically skips it for you. And you can even take calls with the soundcore earbud. To answer or end a call, you would just do the same double tap motion, or to reject a call, you would just triple tap. It even comes with the proper instructions on how to properly maintain and clean your earbuds. They feature a 12mm dynamic drive, which provides a clear and balanced sound. And on the connectivity side, the AeroClip earbuds have Bluetooth, which means they offer a fast and stable connection. Pairing them with your device is super easy, and I personally didn't experience any dropouts or issues with them. This is a big plus, especially for those of us who use earbuds while walking or commuting to any place. The range is pretty solid too. You don't have to be directly next to your device in order for them to work. And these headphones are perfect for when you're on the go or doing any type of activity like running, working out. They will hold up really well. These earbuds are perfect for any type of physical activity. They grip perfectly to my ears and do not come out easily. So no matter whatever vigorous physical activity or workout you might be doing, they will stay securely in place. They don't shake off or come off when you bob your head or move around, which I found really helpful whenever I'm working out or at the gym. You can be walking, running, and they will stay perfectly in place. As As for battery life, the AeroClip earbuds offer up to 8 hours of playtime on one single charge. And if you need more juice, the case itself adds an additional 24 hours, which is excellent for any long trips or extended use. And plus, they charge via USB-C, so you don't have to wait long at all for them to get charged. And I have to emphasize how much I love the minimal sound leakage. Whenever you're in a car or on the go, you don't want other people listening to what you're listening to, so I love the fact that it's private and you can keep it quiet and to yourself. And one feature that I found really impressive was the call quality. And these headphones come equipped with AI enhanced clear call, with 4 beamforming mics, wind blocking meshes, and an advanced AI algorithm to ensure your voice is 3 times clearer inside the call. To wrap things up, I've been really impressed by the soundcore AeroClip earbuds. They offer a great combination of sound quality, comfort, features, and value for the price. If you're in the market for a new pair of earbuds, these just might be the ones for you. So if you want to get your hands on a super cool and advanced pair of earbuds like these, I recommend checking out the link in the description. You can either click the Amazon or official website link, or the link can be found down in the description. You certainly won't regret picking up a pair of these. I know I didn't. Happy listening.